Township Entrepreneur Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Yeah, greetings. My name is Twarelo Glenn Machavapala. I'm the founder and CEO of 4GY, as is known, or 4G Footwear. Yeah, the business, as the name says, 4G Footwear, it means forgiveness. And for G's, people that are doing something great with their life, staying, winning in their own lane. The business started in 2020, in March, just before COVID, 2 weeks before COVID to be exact. I was unemployed for 2 weeks just before when I started with the business. That's when we started with the feasibility study. Until we finished all the requirements and compliance, only went on sales in October 2021. People can get hold of us on Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media platform you prefer, at 4GY, number 4, numeric 4, GY_footwear, and www.4gy.co.za, or can come to our showroom, Innovation Works in Midrand, 16th and Scale. That's where you can find us. I'm Glenn Twarelo Machavapala. I'm the Township Entrepreneur.